everyone? Yes or no? Everyone is ready to learn today 4-digit addition. Okay? Yes. Now see the addition of 4-digit number. Now I am going to make the zoom one sum. See, here one sum is given to you. What is the sum? 5,642. What is the sum? 5,642. And downside what given to you? 4,179. This both digits are which? 4-digit number. Okay. Yesterday we learned the 3-digit number addition, 2-digit number addition, and today we are going to learn a 4-digit addition. Okay. Now look at properly, watch it properly what I am going to and how I am going to add this number. Okay. Now I am going to show you with green color. Okay. Now 9 plus 2. 9 plus 2. 11. Right. 9 plus 2. 11. So 11's 1 is carry here. 1 is downside. Right. 9 plus 2. 11. 1 is carry in tens column and 1 is in the same column, means units column. Now next, 4 plus 7. 4 plus 7, 11. And 11 plus this one carry you want to add. 11 plus 1, 12. 11 plus 1, 12. Okay. So now again 1 is carry here in a 100 column, 2 is in downside. 7 plus 4, 11. Again, you want to add the carry number in this. Okay. 11 plus 1. 11 plus 1, 2. 11 plus 1, 2. Okay. Wait a second, students. 5 plus 7, 12. 1 is carry, 2 is downside. Now, 6 plus 1, 7. 7 plus that carry you want to add. That one number you want to add here. See, wait a second. Yes. Now, 4 plus 1, 5. 5 plus 7, 12. 1 is carry here. After that, 6 plus 1, 7. 7 plus 1, 7 plus 1, 8. Very good. 7 plus 1, 8. Now, 5 plus 4, 5 plus 4, 9. You want to count with the help of object. If suppose directly you are not properly addition doing, then you want to do with the object. You want to draw in your notebook the 5 objects, after that 4 objects, then you want to add over there. Okay. Now, we will go to our next sum. Okay. We will go to our next sum. See, this is the next sum. I am going to clear this sum. Okay. Now see, the second number. Second number which is 4-digit number plus 3-digit number. Okay. Addition is what? 4-digit addition with 3 digits. So how we want to do now? See, 4,984 plus 775, right? Downside 3-digit number is there. Downside 3-digit number is there. So now 4 plus 5. 4 plus 5, answer is what? 9. 4 plus 5, 9. Now 8 plus 7, answer is 15. So 1 is carry here. 5 is downside. Okay. 7 plus 8, 15. So 1 is carry, 5 is downside. After that, 9 plus 7. Tell me 9 plus 7, 16 is there. Okay. 9 plus 7, 16. Plus 1 carry is there. Okay. You want to add 1 carry here. Then answer is 17. What is the answer? 17. Okay. And after that, 4 plus 1. 4 plus 1. Yes, 4 plus 1 is 5. 4 plus 1, 5. So what is your correct answer? 5,759. 5759. Okay, students. Everyone understand here? See, 4-digit number plus 2-digit number. 4-digit number plus 2-digit number. Okay, ready everyone? Now don't say the good morning because our lecture started at 45, right? Yes, now see, when late entered the students, when you are entering the classroom at that 850, 7,850 plus 29, plus 29. How you will add? Now I am going to show you. It is in a yellow color. See, 0 plus 9. 0 plus 9. Yes, okay. 0 plus 9. 9. 5 plus 2. 5 plus 2. Yes, 5 plus 2. 7. Very good. Now, 8. As it is, 8 will come. Okay. And next, 7 also. As it is, 7 will come. Okay, students. Yes, what is your correct answer? 7,879. 7,879. Okay, tell me students, everyone understood the 4-digit addition? How to add the 4 digits? Everyone understood? Then type Y in a public chat. Yes, everyone understood. Everyone. No one have doubt about the 4-digit number? Because afterwards we are going to start our new lecture, our new chapter. Our 3rd chapter is finished here. Addition chapter is finished here. So we want to start the new chapter. So before that, tell me, anyone have doubt? If suppose freely and frankly say, if suppose you have doubt, then tell me. Everyone understood properly. Now I am going to share you the whiteboard, student. Okay? Yes. Now see, I am going to write here one sum. Okay. 567 minus 34. Minus 34. Okay. So 7 minus 4, tell me. 7 minus 4. Yes. 7 minus 4. Very good. Answer is 3. Very good. Answer is 3. Next. 6 minus 3. 6 minus 3. Correct. Answer is 3. Very good. Very nice. Next. 5. Downside. Nothing is there. So tell me what will come. As it is 5. Downside. As it is 5. Downside. Okay. Okay. Good. Now, anyone have doubt about subtraction? Anyone have doubt about subtraction? Okay, so now everyone listen properly. Now I am going to explaining you our new chapter. Number 4, the multiplication. Okay? Ready everyone? Now listen it properly. Okay? I am going to share you one screen. With the help of screen, you will understood properly. Yes. My screen is visible. Okay. See. Which is our new chapter? 4th number. Chapter 4, multiplication. Chapter 4, multiplication. Okay, students, ready everyone? Now, no one is sending the reply in a chat box. Okay, listen it properly. What is the multiplication? What is mean by exactly the multiplication? Okay, students. Now see, multiplication means what? Multiplication is a quick way. Multiplication is a quick way of adding groups of things. Multiplication is a quick way of adding groups of things. Means suppose I am going to explain you here. See, here one column given to you. In this, 3 circles are there, right? In this, 3 circles are there. After that, next column is there. Again, 3 circle is there, right? Third one, our third one column is there. Again, in this third column, 3 circles are there. Next, fourth column. Again, in this fourth column, 3 circles given to you. Okay? Everyone watch it properly. In first column, 3 circle given to you. In a second column, again 3 circle given to you. In third column, again 3 circle given to you. And in a last column, again 3 circle is given to you. Okay? So multiplication in simple way, what is the mean of multiplication? Means what? It's a repeated addition. Multiplication means what? It's a repeated addition. Addition means what? We are going to add one time only, right? In addition, we are going to one time addition only. But in a multiplication, we are going to repeated addition. Only this word you want to keep in mind. Repeated addition. And in addition concept, we are going to add one time only. Okay. Now I am going to explaining you here some. See. Now I am going to write here one sum. Right. 3 into 4. 3 into 4. Okay. 3 into 4 is equal to how many? So what you want to do now? Yes. See, already 4 columns here given to you. In this 4 columns, 3 circles given to you. Right? So you want to add all together. You want to add all together. This 3 plus next 3 plus next 3 plus next 3. 4 into 3. Yes. You want to add together. Answer is 12. Answer is 12. Okay. Yes. Very good. What is the answer? Sorry. Answer is 12. Very good. Yes. Yes. Very nice. Now wait. I'm going to show you one next slide. Wait a second. In simple language, you want to keep in mind what is the meaning of multiplication. Means it's a repeated addition. It's a repeated addition. Okay. Now see, again one slide is given to you. The basic ideas of multiplication. The basic ideas of multiplication is repeated addition. It is given you in a red color. It is not proper visible, but it's a written repeated addition. What it's a written? Repeated addition. For example, what they are given to you? 5 into 3. What they are given to you? 5 into 3. Understood? 5 into 3 is equal to, you want to add 5 3 times. Now I am going to write here again. It is already given you, but it is in a simple, very small font. 5 plus 5 plus 5 is equal to 15. Understood? 5 plus 5, see here. Here already given to you. Wait a second. See. Five plus 5 plus 5, right, is equal to 15. 5, how times they are adding? 3 times. See here, columns given to you. In a one column, how many apples are there? 5 apples are there. In a second column, 3 columns given to you, right? First column also given to you. In this 5 apples, second column 5 apple, and third column 5 apples. So total how many apples are there? Yes, total how many apples are there? You want to add all together. You want to add all together. Total how many apples are there? Yes, 15 apples are there. That means it is what? It's a repeated addition. It is what? It's a repeated addition. Okay? Good. Now multiplication means it's a simple meaning is what? If suppose I'm going to ask you, tell me about what is multiplication in a simple word. So what you will give the answer? It's a repeated addition. Okay? Keep in mind this word, repeated addition. Don't say only addition because it's a concept of addition. One time you are adding, that means it's a addition. And repeated, okay, it's a repeated addition. We call that multiplication. We call that multiplication. Okay. Now I'm going to write again one sum here. Wait a second. Two into 4. 2 into 4. Okay. 2 into 4. What is the answer? Yes, what is the answer? I want to add 2. How many times? 4 times. I want to add 2. How many times? 4 times. Okay. Yes, now I am going to write here 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2. What is the correct answer? 2 plus 2. 2 plus 2 is equal to 4. Means 4 times I want to add. So what is the correct answer? 2 into 4, 8. Very good. 2 into 4, 8. Very nice. Very nice. Okay. Now students, I am going to explaining you with the help of another sums. Okay. Wait a second. I am going to share you one slide in this. More sums given to you with the help of objects. So you will understood better. Now I given you one slide. See. Okay. First already given to you. It's a solving. Okay. Already given to you. 4 into 2. 4 into 2 is equal to 8. Right. Now tell me in the next column which object given to you? Yes. In the next column fish is given to you. Right. Yes. Very good. Now what is the answer here? Tell me. Dash into 4 is equal to 4. It is one group is there. Okay. In one group, how many fishes are there? 4. How many fishes are there? 4. So it's a single one group. Right. It's a single one group. So 1 into 4. 1 into 4 is equal to 4. 1 into 4 is equal to 4. Very good. Very good. Now next tell me third one. Yes, next. First of all, tell me how many groups are given to you. It's a one group. In one group, 3 objects given to you. It's a second group and third one. Okay, 3 groups given to you. In each group, 3 objects given to you. So total all together. How many are there? 9. How many? No, some students are given wrong answer. 3 into 3 into 3. It is wrong. You want to add over there. 3 plus 3 plus 3. Understood what I am going to explaining you? It's a repeated addition, not a multiplication. It's a repeated addition means what will come? 3 plus 3 plus 3 is equal to 9. Okay, so here what will come? 3 into 3. 3 into 3 is equal to 9. 3 into 3 is equal to 9. Very good. Very nice. Understood till here. Now next. Star given to you. In a fourth column. Yes. Star given to you. Okay. Yes. Now you want to write in this box. Empty box. Which number will come there? 5 into dash is equal to 10. Yes. 5 into dash is equal to 10. No. No. See, already I given to you two columns here. See. Now I am going to draw here. Okay. In one group, how many objects are there? 5 objects are there. In one group, how many objects are there? 5. In second, 5 stars are there. Okay. So 5 into 2. 5 into 2. That means you want to add 5 how many times? 2 times. That means you want to add 5 how many times? 2 times. 5 plus 5. 5 plus 5 is equal to 10. Understood? 5 plus 5 is equal to 10. Understood now? Okay. So how 10 will come? You want to add 5 2 times. You want to add 5 2 times. Now next, come to the fourth column. Now tell me what is the answer in an empty box. 4 objects given to you. Very good. 5 into 2 is equal to 10. Very nice. Good. Now next, go to the next column. Yes. Very good. Very good, Manasvi. Very nice. Good. Yes, in empty box, what will come? 2. Why? Because here 2 groups given to you. Okay. See. And total how many? 4. So you want to add 2 times. 2 plus 2. Okay. Repeated addition. What will come in repeated addition? 2 plus 2. In repeated addition, what will come? 2 plus 2. Okay. 2 into 2 is equal to 4. 2 plus 2 is equal to 4. Very nice. Good. Now next, last. It is the last. Tell me what will come? 2 into dash is equal to 6. Answer already there given to you. Yes. Yes, very nice. This is the 2 columns. In each group, how many objects given to you? 3. 2 into 3. Very good. 2 into 3. Yes, very nice. 2 into 3 is equal to 6. That means you want to add the 2 how many times? 3 times. You want to add 2 how many times? 3 times. Okay? Now, yes, 1 into 4. What is the correct answer? Very good. Very nice. 1 into 4 is equal to? Yes, 1 into 4 is equal to 4. Okay, wait a second, students. Okay. Yes, 1 into 4. 1 into 4 is equal to, answer is what? 4. Very good. Second one. 6 into 1. Yes, 6 into 1. Answer is 6. 3 into 1. 3 into 1. Answer is 3. Okay, this is also very simple sums, right? Multiply by 1 digit into 1 digit. Okay. Now we will see the 2 digit into 1 digit. Okay. This is very simple sums. Everyone, third standard students also know how to multiply. Okay. Now we will take the 2 digit number. Okay. 2 digit number into 1 digit number. Ready everyone? Yes. 34 into 5. 34 into 5. My screen is visible properly, I hope. Okay. Yes. Now, when I am asking you, at that time you want to give the answer. Okay, students? Yes. Now see. 34 into 5. 34 into 5. 4 into 5. You want to go every time I told you when you are doing this sums, addition, subtraction, multiplication, at that time you want to go to the right side, right? That means a ones column. Where is the ones column? 4 into 5. Don't give the direct answer. 4 into 5, tell me. 4 into 5, 20. 4 into 5? Yes. So 2 is carry here. Okay. Understood? 2 is carry here. Yes. And 0? 0 is in downside. 2 is carry here. After that, 5 into 3. 5 into 3. 5 into 3. Yes. 15 plus carry 2 you want to add. 15 plus 2. 15 plus 2. 17. Okay, so what is your correct answer? 170. What is your correct answer? 170. Okay. Understood the 2 digit into 1 digit? Everyone understood the 2 digit into 1 digit? Okay. Okay. Now next sum I am going to highlight here with green color. Wait, students. Now you want to solve this sum. Okay. 98 into 7. Don't give the direct answer. Go to step by step. 8 into 7. 8 into 7. Give me answer. Yes, 8 into 7. 56. So 5 is carry here. 6 is in downside. Okay. 9 into 7. 9 into 7. Yes. 63 plus 5. Yes, tell me the answer properly. Yes, 63. 9 into 7, 63 plus 5. Plus carry 5 you want to add. Answer is 68. Okay. So what is your correct answer? Total full correct answer? 686. 686. Okay. 686. Very good. Very nice. Now next sum I given to you. You want to solve it fast. Give me answer in a chat box. Yes? Give me answer in a chat box. 61 into 6. 61 into 6. Give me answer fast. Full answer give me now. Yes. Yourself you want to write one column. After that give me full answer. What is your full answer? 300 and? Yes. 330. Yes. 336. Three hundred and 66. Okay, 61 into 6. 1 into 6. What is the correct answer? 1 into 6? 6. Okay. 1 into 6? 6. And 6 into 6? 36. 6 into 6? 36. So what is your full correct answer? 366. 366. Okay, students? Good. Very nice. Okay. 3 into 2. 6. 6 plus 1 carry. 6 plus 1 carry. Here 7. Good. Yes, very nice. 7. Okay. And after that 4 into 2. 4 into 2. Yes. Very good. So what is the correct answer? What is the correct answer? 872. 872. 2. Understood about the 3 digit into 1 digit multiplication? Everyone understood now? Yes. Everyone understood about the 3 digit into 1 digit, how to multiply? Okay, students? Everyone understood? Then type Y in a public chat.
Teacher, it is audible?